I love my fancy wall. I love this wall. I love the production. I love the excitement of everything that we've done and everything that we've built on this channel for the last almost 3 years, but it's time to start doing things a little bit different. Welcome to vlog number 1. Yes, we got a graphic design vlog I'm starting. I'm gonna be doing an episode every single week. I've had a lot going on in my life over the last 8 months, no thanks to my ex and my wife's ex, but we came through this really hard situation that they put us through, and we've become stronger and better as people, as parents, and as business owners. And so I wanted to start a graphic design vlog and share a little bit more of my journey, show you some of the ugly stuff, show you some of the messy stuff, show you that my phone, wherever my phone is a little bit dead. I'm not perfect. You can see all the editing, you can see all the production, all that stuff is great. But I've realized something in doing some introspection with Ian, who's been with me on this journey since almost the very beginning. Life is not perfect, and it's time to understand the difference between demand creation and demand fulfillment. A lot of you guys have found my videos, have watched my videos, and even know who I am because I can't even put this in my pocket, because I've done video production. See, I'm not perfect. Because I've done videos on product-based stuff, and I gotta be honest, I hate doing product-based videos and talking about reviews of gadgets and all that stuff. I don't hate it, but I dislike it. It's not my favorite thing to do. My zone of genius is sales and marketing strategies and helping you actually grow a graphics business. I've had a lot of success over the last 15 years, helping over 5,000 companies scale their businesses to millions and millions and millions and millions and tens of millions of dollars. I've done over $100 million in revenue that I've generated for my clients, and I want to teach you guys how you can do the same thing for yourselves and for your clients. But a little bit behind the scenes, and when you're doing a vlog, you have to be able to create a demand, and you have to be able to fulfill a demand. And what I did, I noticed that demand fulfillment was happening on my product-based videos. Everybody is looking for graphic design gadgets and tools and technology, all that stuff, and that's how people are finding my channel. But that's not really where the real value is. They call it the chocolate-covered carrot, right? I'm drawing you guys in with the product stuff, but the real meat and potatoes, the real thing that has the nutrition is the sales and marketing strategies, the branding strategies that I've been teaching you guys for the last almost 3 years, and I want to continue to do that. But I want to be a little bit more personal. I want to show you a little bit of my mess. I want to talk to you about my journey. I want to share a little of the things, the messes and the tragedies and the things that are going on in my life. I went through a really difficult time, and I had to do a lot of introspection over the last 8 months. And who I am as a person, I've never been more proud of. My fitness is in the best place it's ever been. My income's in the best place it's ever been. My agency's recovering from a huge hit from me not being around for almost 8 months. There's a lot of things that happen, but I'm in a really great place, and this is a great opportunity for you to come along with me, to join me on the journey, to see a little bit of what's going on and how we're evolving, not just as a communicator, not just as a YouTuber, not just as a businessman or designer, but as individuals and as a team. And I am really evolving, Ian's really evolving, and we're all evolving. So I want to be able to start creating more content and vlogs every single week like this, where you can follow along on my journey. As I came out of this journey, I got back into community, because while I was going through my crisis, I just disconnected from everybody, literally everybody. Other than my daughter and my wife, I disconnected from everybody. And through that process, I did a lot of introspection, looking at myself, doing a lot of deep work, and looking at the darkness that had been brought into my life and understanding how to overcome that. I was put on this earth to help kids, whether you're 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 19, 20 years old. If you're a young person, I want to help guide you along the path that I've been on for the last 15 years of my career and help you build a successful life, because graphic designers are unhealthy, unfulfilled, and underpaid. And there's no reason why any of us should be in any 3 of those categories. So my job and my goal of this vlog is to take you along my journey, show you my mess, show you my message, and help you actually become a better creative in your health, your wealth, and your relationships. So I hope you'll join me in all this. I know this is a lot to say and I'm talking really fast, but the truth is this is a vlog. So I can be imperfect, I can be me, and you guys will probably love it. So I want to draw more people in. Please share this with a friend. If you know anybody who could use some encouragement, who could use some inspiration, who could use some knowledge in sales and marketing, maybe they're struggling financially and they're a designer, bring them here. Motion designers, graphic designers, web designers, whoever you are, I'm here to help you. I'm here to lift you up. And as they say, rising tides raise all ships. So let's do this together. I can't do it without you. You guys have gotten me this far. The 15,000 subscribers that have already been on this journey with me, I just can't thank you enough. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. You guys have really created, not just changed my life, but you guys have created a change of an environment for all the people that are on my team. And I'm just super grateful for that. So come along every single week. We're gonna be doing a new vlog. I'll show you what's going on. Just a lot of fun and exciting stuff to do. So I'm Adrian Boycell. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. And as always, keep looking up.